say good morning? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. What is it today? What is it now? We are having breakfast. Do you want to have breakfast? Okay. Today we are going to try the apple. So far we have tried blueberries. We have tried banana. We have tried pears. Oh my gosh, she's already drooling. She's like, give me the food now. Stop talking. All right. Let me shake it. Woo-hoo. Do you want some? I think that's a yes. All right. Smells good. Want some, baby? Okay, let's see if she likes the apple. We are trying one fruit at a time. Say, oh my gosh. Why are you doing this? Oh, you want a little bit to try it. So when you put your tongue out, does that mean you like it? Yeah? Oh my gosh, yeah. I think that's a yes. Is it good? Let me make this face for. Ooh! Little more. Oh my gosh. Okay, she recently found out that if she puts some in her mouth, she can spit it out and make a mess. So I think that's what she's trying to do. Come on, open your mouth. Come on. Oh, good job. Good job, Gabby. Okay, you guys might hear the washing machine in the back. I'm so sorry. I wasn't planning on making a video, but I said why not? Because the other kids are not in the house right now. They're in school. Yes, they are. Yeah, want some? Gabby, can you actually eat it? Oh. Oh my gosh. She likes to store things in her neck, so I have to be careful. Okay, sunshine. Okay, sunshine. Ooh, Gabby. Gabby, are you eating or no? What are you doing? Making a mess? You're making a mess. Okay, I don't think she's eating anything. I think she likes to make the mess. Oh my god. Okay, Gabby. Okay, put it in your mouth. Poof. I think this must have been the messiest one we had so far. Yum, 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 yum. I'm trying to collect it from her mouth before I start going into her neck and everywhere. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Poof. Poof. Oh. Oh my god. Gabby, what are you doing? What are you doing, sunshine? What are you doing? Do you want more or your high chair want more? Huh? You're making a mess here. To your mouse. Open. And we just give her a little bath too. Maybe that was a mistake. It is fun to have kids sometimes. You have to get used to the mess everywhere. Poof. Do you actually eat it now or no? And you guys, this is 4 ounces. I know she's definitely not gonna eat all of this today. I mean, maybe she will have a little bit later, but we still have some from yesterday. Oh my gosh, don't go so fast. Don't go so fast. I don't know exactly how much she's supposed to eat. I have to check. But I'll be happy if she has a little bit to start with. And then we can start to increase it. Open. Oh, good job. You put half of it on mommy. Yes, yes you did. Do you like it? Ooh. Oh my god. Gabby, why? Half of it is on her little. Oh no, you made a mess, Gabby. So why? Why did you do that? Yes, why did you do this? Why did you do this? Huh? Okay, let's clean the high chair. Alright. Little more? More? Okay. Oh. Ooh, airplane. Open mouse. Ooh. Ah! Ooh. Oh no. Oh no. Do you want some? A little more? Tick, 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 tick. Ooh, is it good? Is that a yes? Is that a yes? Okay. To Gabby's mouse. Poof. We have arrived at destination. We have arrived. More? Ooh, choo 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 choo. Ah, poof. You're having fun. Too much fun, huh? Alright, we're gonna stop recording here, but can you say, oh my goodness, look at this mouse, Gabby. Look at this mouse. Can you say bye, friend?